Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024 Porsche Boxster. In the realm of luxury sports cars, Porsche has long been synonymous with performance, precision, and luxury. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly await the latest releases for 2024, the all-new 2024 Porsche Boxster emerges as a standout among the best luxury sports cars of the year, promising to deliver an exhilarating driving experience that seamlessly blends luxury and performance. The 2024 Porsche Boxster arrives with a sleek and aerodynamic design that exudes elegance and athleticism from every angle. Its low-slung profile, sculpted lines, and muscular curves make a bold statement on the road, commanding attention and admiration wherever it goes. From its signature LED headlights to its sporty rear diffuser, every detail is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of luxury and excitement. Under the hood, the 2024 Boxster boasts a range of powerful engine options, including turbocharged flat-six variants, each delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its mid-engine layout and advanced chassis technology, the Boxster offers unparalleled handling and agility, allowing drivers to tackle corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Porsche Boxster also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a range of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the Porsche Boxster represents the epitome of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its sleek design, legendary performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Porsche Boxster stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.